There was twa wives and twa witty wives, as e'er played houghmagandie, and they coost out upon a time out o'er a drink o' brandy. Up a Maggy rose and forth she goes, and she leaves old Mary flytin, and she farted by the byre-en, for she was gone a-shitin. She farted by the byre-en, she farted by the stable, and thick and nimble were her steps, as fast as she was able, till at yon dyke-back the hurly brak, but raxin for some dockins, the beans and peas come down her thighs, and she cackit her stockins. Robert Bremner sent this lyric in a letter to his friend Robert Cleghorn, with this note: I make you a present of the following new edition of an Auld Cloak song, a species of composition which I have heard you admire, and a kind of song which I know you wanted much. It is sung to an old tune, something like Take Your Old Cloak About You. Cloakina was the cleanser, the Roman goddess of sewers and drains. I have the tune Take Your Old Cloak About You because we don't have the exact tune from whatever old song Burns remade his lyric from Robert Bremner's 30 Scots Songs of 1757. So there were two wives and two witty wives, as e'er played houghmagandie, who ever played at screwing around, fornication. And they coost out, they fell out upon a time, over a drink of brandy. Up Maggy rose, and forth she goes, and she leaves old Mary flytin. They're doing the dozens, they're slagging each other off. It's an insult contest. And she farted by the old cow shed, by the back of the cow shed, the back of the shed. She farted by the back of the shed, for she was going to shitin. She farted by the back of the shed, she farted by the stable, and thick and nimble were her steps, many and nimble were her steps, as fast as she was able, till at yon dyke-back the hurly brak, behind yon wall the onrush broke, but reaching for some dockins, some burdock leaves. The beans and peas came down her thighs, and she fouled cackit off her stockins. Generally at the end of these videos I ask people politely to please subscribe, and now I will ask you to please not unsubscribe, but rather to smash the like button, hit the like button, annihilate the like button, murder that like button, tap the like button, touch the like button, maul the like button, please. Feel powerful by really kind of giving a sledgehammer blow with your fingertip to the like button, but try not to injure yourself when you're hitting the like button, because no matter how much pressure you put on it, it's really not going to affect the results of having another like there. I've shared stages with the likes of many people, and also the internet. I've shared Facebook with the likes of many people.